Hi, Ron Syllaboy here with Ward Cedar Log Homes. Today we're on site at a local log home and we're going to go over what a log truss is, which is shown right here, right now. What this does is it's supporting the purlins of the roof. So typically we can span about 20 feet for the purlins until we need some type of support. One is the log truss as shown, or you could do an LVL beam across the bottom and then do support posts that go up, support the purlins. And how this log truss is supported is these brackets that you see here. You can have them shown like this, or we can hide them for you so you don't see them at all. And then at the end of the log truss, each end is a support post. It's all free spanning here. There's the other support post on the other end. And we engineer these log trusses in-house to the location that you're building, making sure they meet snow loads and stand the test of time. If you have any questions or ready to start planning your log home, please give us a call at 800-341-1566. Thank you for watching.